Okay, Article 39. Article 39 says the state shall in particular direct its policy towards securing that the citizens, men and women, equally have the right to an adequate means of livelihood. What this basically means is that everyone should have proper jobs so that salary of the job is enough for their day-to-day activities. That's what it means. Government should strive for it. And that the B says that the ownership and control of the material resources of the community are so distributed as best to subserve the common good. Basically means like any material resources of society, like it could be natural resources like lakes, mineral wealth or something like that, or anything like that, should be distributed in such a way that it is good for everyone, not just for a few people. So something like this, some kind of socialist ideas. C. C says that the operation of the economic system does not result in the concentration of wealth and means of production to common detriment. Similar thing again, what is here is that our economic system should not be in such a way that some people become rich and some people become poor. It should not be like that. So, concentration of wealth, like millionaires or billionaires in one side and very poor people on the other side, that should not happen. That's what government should strive for. That there is equal pay for equal work for both men and women. This says equal pay. Like earlier it used to be like for the same one day's work women used to get less wage than men. That should not be allowed. Like if a woman works for one day, she should get same salary as a man gets for one day. That's what it says. Next, E. It says that the health and strength of workers, men and women, and the tender age of children are not abused, and that citizens are not forced by economic necessity to enter avocations unsuited to their age or strength. What it means is that just for the sake of money, like let's say a person is very poor, so just to earn his livelihood, he should not do any activities that are unhealthy, like for example working in unhealthy coal mines. Just because a person is poor, he should not be forced to work on very dangerous coal mines. Same thing for children, like uh, just because a child is poor, he should not be allowed to work in any dangerous situation or something like that. So economic situation should not be a criteria, like some kind of protection. Government should strive for that, that health and tender age of children are not affected by their poverty. That's what it means. F. That children and are given opportunities and facilities to develop in a healthy manner and in conditions of freedom and dignity, and that childhood and youth are protected against exploitation and against moral and material abandonment. Same thing again, a little bit detail. Basically it says it should maintain the freedom and dignity of childhood, and they should not be exploited. Government should strive for decreasing their exploitation of children. Next, Article 39A. Article 39A, if you see, like this was inserted later through an amendment. It says the state shall secure that the operation of the legal system promotes justice on a basis of equal opportunity, and shall in particular provide free legal aid by substitutable legislation or schemes or in any other way to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic or other disabilities. What this basically means is that any person should be uh, allowed to go to any court and seek his justice. And just because a person is poor, it should not happen that he can't afford a lawyer and he cannot get justice. So this particular article gives free legal aid. That means some kind of free lawyers or something like that should be provided for any person. That's what this says. And once again, it's a DPSP, not enforceable. That means government, if possible, should provide such facilities to every person, but there is no compulsion of the government.